Today we will be testing the triple brown exponential smoothing indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the triple Browns exponential smoothing indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 63 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 824 indicators, with 335 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 31 of the winning indicators. 10 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the triple Browns exponential smoothing indicator. On the last video, we tested the Browns exponential smoothing indicator, and so this one is a triple Browns exponential smoothing indicator, and so I figured since it is a modified version, we would give this one a shot and see if it does any better than the original one. And so again, this is basically a moving average oscillating line here, and so we are going to test this just like we tested the last one, and just like we test most of the moving averages. We are looking for the price action break either to the upside or a price action break to the downside. And so not only a price action break, but we are looking for the break and close to the upside, break and close to the downside. So when price action breaks above the moving average or the best line, as it has been referred to, I guess this one isn't the best line, it would be technically the T-best line, but nonetheless, when it breaks the moving average and closes to the upside, then we are going to go long. When it breaks the moving average and closes to the downside, then we are going to go short. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we get is a long signal as we get that break to the upside here, and the close, we get a really nice push to the upside here, or at least a push to the upside, and not necessarily really nice, but a push, and it is enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. So we're going to mark this one right here as a long signal. So we missed the short signal. Looks like that is a gap down. Yep, gap down from 1 week to the next. And so this was the close of 1 week. This is the open of the next week, and we get a gap down. And as it gaps down underneath that line there, the moving average line, and we get the push back to the upside of it and the close right here on this one. Unfortunately though, on the very next candle, we get a push back to the downside and a close, so it would have stopped us out on that long. Then on the next candle, we get a push back to the upside and a close right here, and so that's going to close us out or stop us out of the short right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward though and see what happens. All right, so basically we get a little bit of consolidation and then a push back to the downside and a close, which gives us a short, and you can see that we then get a push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of these channels here, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. One of our members here, he's posting charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and just general Forex analysis of the market. Posting really great charts, really informative charts, outlining kind of how you should be looking to mark up a chart and areas you should be looking for once you have a chart marked up, kind of understanding how Forex is flowing accordingly to that support and resistance, and things like wedge patterns and so on. And so then there are some of our other members who are just posting just some really great information, trades that they are looking to take. You can see here trades that they are in and are doing really well, and just general knowledge and support all around. So it's just a really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's kind of coaching everybody and helping everybody to grow and become a better trader. I highly recommend it. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll back here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and count it out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winners. So obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Again, as you can probably guess, we know where this one's going for those of you who have been around the channel for a while. Basically what we get is when we hit consolidation, or when we get close to moving average lines like this, we get this whipsaw effect as price spikes to one side, then immediately back to the other, then immediately back, and so on, pinballing back and forth, creating these clusters of losing trades. I must say though, I've never seen an indicator, or I don't think I've ever seen a moving average indicator that did it quite as bad as this one here on this trade. I mean, these are just 4 or 5 losing trades in a row as price is just pinballing. This is even more right here, and a bad cluster right there. And so all in all, those are what just eat away at the win rate of indicators like this, and yeah, put it below the 60% criteria that we are looking for. So not that it's a bad indicator, not that it can be used in another way, but using it as a confirmation indicator like this just is not going to work. And so for that reason, this one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.